What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Columbia Pouration jacket I picked up using Amazon Prime for about $26.47. Currently it's $30.92, so it did go up $4, but overall I think that's pretty inexpensive for a rain jacket. Out of 5 stars, it gets 5. Out of 6 customer reviews, unfortunately, I can't give you a good idea of what percentage of people it fits as expected. The jacket itself does run in between sizes, small and extra large. So I will be able to give you a good idea of how it fits me. I'm about 6'2", 225 pounds. So that should give you a good idea of how an extra large runs. Without further ado, the jacket does come in 3 different colors. It comes in azure blue, which I have in front of us today. As you can see, it's still in the package. I haven't really taken it out yet. So again, this is gonna be a legitimate, true unboxing and first impressions. I have not seen the rain jacket yet. It also comes in this red jasper, and it also comes in dark mountain collegiate navy. But if you go up to extra large, it costs $90, $90, and $48.90 respectively. Okay, so I did order it. It was supposed to come in about 5 days, but it actually came in about 3. Let's go ahead and get into the box. Then we'll go ahead and pull the jacket right on out. Really nice presentation so far. Does not look like it's been tampered with. You do get some of the tags on the top of the jacket there. So this is obviously Columbia. It's got the Omni-Tech technology on the inside, which is like a water resistant technology. So this is pretty much the ideal rain jacket for me. It's blue. It only cost $26. It's now $30. And if you order it in a different size other than extra large, you're gonna have to pay a little bit extra, I think. I think I scored big time with this rain jacket. The zippers just run absolutely smooth as can be. And what's really nice is you do get some armpit breathability here. Water should just be right off this thing. What's really nice is this material feels so thick and robust to the touch, but what's really cool is you do get a really nice, what looks to be a watertight front zippered pocket, and it looks big enough for maybe a wallet or a cell phone. I really like that. So this is an iPhone SE 2020, and as you can see, it's fitting in there perfectly. So think about a wallet or card holder. And what's really nice is it sort of has this enamel covering up the stitching or around the stitching, sort of acting as like a waterproof layer to keep water out. And as you can see, you open it up and you get this really nice, beautiful, breathable material. I did order it in an extra large. It is made in Bangladesh. What's really nice about this jacket, actually, compared to some other jackets that I reviewed, is if you'll notice here, this is that front pocket right here. So that front pocket on the front I was talking about earlier, that's water resistant, or sort of has like a water protection. On the inside of that pocket, it's sort of this nylon composite material. You know, this mesh material, if you had a car key on it hanging off of it or rubbing up against it, it might eventually tear it. So, okay, and last but not least, before we try the jacket on, you do get a really nice side pocket on the left-hand side. And from the looks of it, you get a pocket on the right-hand side as well. Okay, so I ordered this in an extra large. Might be a little bit too big, but wow. This is a very comfortable, very soft feeling on the inside. From the looks of it, you do get a hoodie on the rain jacket itself. Really nice. Let me go ahead and zip it up for you guys and show you what it looks like. So there it is, fully zipped up with the hoodie on, fully zipped up with the hoodie off. From the left, from the back, from the right. Yeah, Really cool, really nice rain jacket. Let me go ahead and do another spin around for you guys. Okay, ready? From the left, from the back, from the right, voila. I love the style of this rain jacket. It's really comfortable. Definitely love the color combination of azure, blue, azul. It's spring. Summer is right around the corner. It's about to be raining season here in Southwest Florida. This is my new rain jacket. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Columbia Pouration jacket I picked up using Amazon Prime. Because I picked it up using Amazon Prime, that makes it a convenience good. For $26.47, it did go up to $30.92. Out of 5 stars, it gets 5 out of 6 customer reviews. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first look. My name is John. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.